Hello there everyone, this is your friend Jake, and then in this tutorial video guys, we will learn how to create a program that will ask the user to give two numbers, and then our program will compute the two given numbers by our user using Julia programming language. Before we continue guys, I would like to say thank you so much to all my subscribers in my channel. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, don't forget to click the like button, click the notification bell, select all so that you will be notified with my newly uploaded videos, and please leave a comment in the comment section so that I will know what is your thoughts of my tutorial or suggestion, what is the next tutorial, and click the subscribe button so that you can subscribe in my channel. Your subscription and support is highly appreciated. So let's get started. So guys, we are here in our Visual Studio Code. So we have here 18 lines of code. So from line number 1 up to 6, we have here a comment. In Julia programming language, the syntax is similar to your C, Python, and Ruby. There is a saying, it runs like the code works like a Python, but it runs in C. So we have here sharp equals, so addition.gl. In Julia, the extension is GL. Yours truly, my website, you can visit www.jkrpomperada.com and www.jkrpomperada.blogspot.com, where you can download free source code and tutorials. If you like to reach me for my services in computer programming, software development, information technology consultancy, you can reach me at my official email address, jkrpomperada@gmail.com. I am living here in Bacolod City, Negros Occidental, Republic of the Philippines. So we have here equals in sharp to close it. Print line, the title of our program in line number 8, addition of two numbers in Julia. Take note guys, we have here \t that resembles horizontal tab in C language in the new line. And then from line number 10 to 13, it prompts the user to give the first and second value, which will be stored in our variable A, parse int. Int means integer, B, variable B. So print line, for the display, we have here the sum of A and B is A plus B, where is the computation is being performed here. And then end of the program, which informs the user that the program has been ended. So let us go to the terminal window, and then we issue a command Julia space addition.gl. Press the enter key in your computer. Let us wait for the execution. So addition of two numbers in Julia, enter first value, let's say we have 8. Enter second value, let's say we have 5. So the sum of 8 and 5 is 13. End of program. So let us run again for the second time around. Enter first value, let's say we have 90. Enter second value, we have 10. So the sum of 90 and 10 is 100. End of program. So here we go guys, we have already created addition of two numbers in Julia. So this is the end of our tutorial video. I hope that you have learned something new in this tutorial. I will put a link in the description below of this video tutorial so that you can download the complete and free program listing in my website. So before we end, if you like this video, please thumbs up, click the like button, don't forget to share, leave a comment, and most importantly, if you are new with my channel, please click the subscribe button. Thank you so much for your support. This is your friend Jake saying see you in the next video tutorial guys. Bye bye for now.